You hungry though?
Joel, you know Joel, after Saturday I eat. Wait a minute.
Since Saturday morning, so let me stop wasting time. We are going to start things off, guys, with a recipe, late night snacks, thanks to the folks at Great Foods. Today, I am going to be using some pepperoni from Great Foods.
Nice.
You like pizza?
Me love pizza, you know.
You love pizza?
Me love pizza, you know.
Me I love pizza so much. Me think me I love pizza more than chicken.
Me love chicken more than pizza.
There's a real battle. There's a real battle. Now, because you love pizza,
right,
I am going to put all the ingredients you like on a pizza into a late night snack that we are calling a pepperoni pizza nachos.
A pepperoni pizza nachos.
Yeah. So that's like two massive snacks just collide and go boom.
Me hear any couple of things
So these ready-made slices, what I'm just showing folks is a very nice fine dice that you want to do with these slices, and then you get this kind of consistency. You take this and you saute it up in a little olive oil, and then you get this guy here. Right? When you get this guy, I kind of prepped all my ingredients because movement fast. You have plenty of food to eat on the show. You get a greased dish. I want to get this out of the way. You get a greased dish, and then you start layering your nachos. Let me tell you what I have here. Sweet peppers, mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes. All the ingredients you could find on a pizza. And
you can't forget
mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese I have mixed in here in one. Yeah? Let's I'm gonna just have some fun layering this. So I just have any kind of nachos, any kind of chips of your choice. Make sure you grease your dish. This is real simple late night vibes. You're watching a movie, you and the babes, you know. What to eat. Nachos. So you have some nachos here. Cup of joe after dark on. Late night TV happening. You layer this. I like to get my cheese early in. So I just put a little layer of cheese.
You're a cheese man.
Kind of cheesy, boy. Yeah, kind of cheesy. I really like cheese. I just had a hold back sometimes, you know. Right, cheese, and then I could start layering some more vegetables.
So you're doing like a macaroni pie then?
A kind of macaroni pie, lasagna, kind of layer. That's exactly it. Sweet peppers. Make sure.
I love sweet peppers.
I love sweet peppers. You know. I also love mushrooms.
I was not a big fan.
You're not a big fan?
Yeah, but
a little bit.
I know you go season anything right for me, man.
And onions. So everything kind of just going in layers.
Love onions too. So
you love onions.
And
then some pepperoni. So this really, with a nachos, you can really use any kind of meat. You could cut up chicken, but I just wanted to use some Great Foods pepperoni in this. And I have some tomatoes.
All right.
So that's like my first layer down. And I just do it all over again.
Right.
So I get some more in here.
Yeah, this look familiar.
It look familiar?
It just look familiar, like, you know, when you're cooking on Sunday.
Yeah. Very, very, very simple. It's not difficult to do at all. So more. I could get some more cheese happening here.
So long popcorn on a Saturday night. So long.
No more popcorn on a Saturday night. No more popcorn on a Saturday night. So there, I have mushrooms.
Right. I like it too because it's affordable. You know?
There's nothing in here that you probably don't have that anybody
I
watching
have all these things. I have everything here, except for the mushroom. I have everything else at home.
You have everything. I'm going to get some tomatoes in there.
And it's healthy too, man.
It is healthy-ish.
It's
healthy-ish. It's healthy-ish. And then I'm finally going to top it with my Great Foods pepperoni.
Nice.
And get some of that in there. Just for good measure, Rudy.
You want some more cheese?
Just for good measure.
I know you're going back by that cheese. Cheese, boss.
Just for good measure.
Cheese, boss.
Just for good measure. All the health folks just turn away from the television 1 minute. Join us back in 30 seconds. Yeah? The thing about it is that when you pull a nacho, you must get all.
10 jewels. 10.
You bake this in the oven for just about 5 to 7 minutes. You pop it in, you pop it out. So the good thing about doing this.
Ooh, that's what I love here.
You know what happened? You know what happened there? You know what happened there?
Wow, the sausage carries.
The way the sausage. The way the sausage. Hot and ready.
That's what we wanted there. That's what we wanted.
Late night snacks, thanks to the folks in Great Foods. My celebrity taster is getting happy.
I watching Spider-Man home, eh?
We coming back.
I watching.
We coming back. Lots more to come. We're rocking tonight and jamming to the songs tonight of the UE Arts Jazz Ensemble, guys. This is Copper Joe. After that, Rudel Combat is in the building tonight.